morning, fam. Good morning. This is our last full day of vacation in Florida, and we have a tradition. We always hit up Keke's for breakfast on that last day. If you have not been to Keke's, you have to try it out. Their breakfast is so good, y'all. Even the kids be asking for it. You did that on purpose. Come back here, little Smurf. Daddy told you to bring that drink. You know you're gonna be thirsty.
You gotta get on the food.
I see it. Y'all gonna stop talking about me. All right, y'all. So we are getting ready to leave Keke's. Keke's was everything as usual. It was so good. And I think we're getting ready to head to the outlets. You can set it on. What y'all doing? Markana, keep on marking me. I'm gonna give y'all a repeat of that. Huh? hope y'all can hear me. So we are at the World Food Trucks, and they got so many food trucks out here. It is confusing. You don't know where to stop. Everything smells so good. I hope y'all can hear me, but everything smells so good. So we're just gonna order a little bit of items from maybe like 2 or 3 trucks, and then carry them back and test them out. Hey y'all, so as you've seen, we done been to the outlets in the World of Food Trucks. Be careful, Marquise. It is not too bad out here tonight. We walking the resort. I'm sorry, I know y'all can't see me, but we walking in here to this other part of the resort where they say that you can see fireworks. This is our last full day and night here on vacation. This was what, day 6? And I'm not gonna say I'm sad, but we're blessed to be able to go on vacation because so many people can't. But am I ready to go back home? No, no, no. But let's head in here and see these fireworks. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me. Okay. Ooh. Is this it? Ooh. Does it say rooftop? Okay, don't turn this into the shine. Oh God, listen to her. Thank you, baby. I don't know what I was on. Number 5. This is the reserve. This is like how we say over there. This is a, and we all know Marquise ain't going to the end.